Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about solution. So you all are familiar with the term solution. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. For example, solution of salt in water, solution of sugar in water, solution of iodine in alcohol, solution of iodine in alcohol, and soda water. If we consider an example of solution of salt in water, then you see in this solution there are two components. First, salt, and second, water. So, a solution consists of two components. A solution consists of two components. The component in the larger amount between salt and water. Which one present in the larger amount? Water. So the component that is present in the larger amount is the solvent, and the component in the lesser amount is the solute. So in the solution of salt in water, which is solute and which is solvent? Here salt is solute. Why? Because it is present in lesser amount. And what is solvent? Water is solvent here because it is present in larger amount. So a solution consists of two components. First one solute, second one solvent. So now we discuss about properties of true solution or properties of solution. First, you are familiar that a solution is a homogeneous mixture. Second, the particles cannot be seen by the naked eye. You all are familiar. We cannot see the particles of the homogeneous mixture with our naked eyes. Next, the solute particles cannot be separated by filtration. Next, the solute particles do not settle down and the solution is stable. The particles do not scatter a beam of light passing through it, and the path of light is not visible in the solution.